Hi friends, it's Fiore with new video. Today I'm very in rush, so I'm running on photo shoot and just wanted to share with you my 1960s hairstyle. I'm very rare using this decade and mostly for photo shoots only, but I really like to change the mood. It's so different from all previous decades. So this is very fast hairstyle, and let's start. So I just have a straight hair after washing, and we'll start with the middle parting and separating the parts which will be in front, while I will be working with the actually other most important part, bigger. So I'm using my favorite brush for teasing. I'm speaking a lot about this brush in all my tutorials. I hope you bought it already. And actually making a volume, I didn't had a lot of time, so I'm using kind of cheating in this hairstyle because I have a fake hair which will give me a volume, and I don't need to tease in all my top, but if you don't have it, you probably don't, you need to tease all your upper part of the hair to make a very good volume. I made it actually even without the hairspray, but for better fixation you can add a little bit spray on every piece of your hair before teasing. So to prevent the questions where to buy this fake hair, I don't know, because it was a kind of gift after a photo shoot, but as I understood, it's just a fake hair in a net, so you can buy whatever in the shop or even on AliExpress hair matching your color and make it by yourself. It's really helpful, and it's giving you a few extra minutes if you're in rush. After I fix it, I will cover it with all other hair. If you're not using fake, it will be just a lot of volume as well, but you need to brush upper part very carefully to not to ruin your volume. And I actually using just a rubber band, simple to fix it. I didn't add nothing extra in the end, like a bow or something, but you can actually add a ribbon or anything that will be matching your style this day. Now I will curl my other hair and this in front pieces. Take a look how I'm curling it, like on the up. They need to layer like on hairstyle, not on your face. So this is important, that it's like have a direction to your ear. So I'm using just the iron stick for these manipulations. And fixing a little bit with the hairspray after this already, but not a lot, by the way, in this hairstyle. Not using a lot because they need to be airy. Hair need to be airy. And for all other hair, to curl it, I'm using another device which actually giving me extra minutes as well because I'm in rush. So you just need to curl your hair whatever direction. Like actually you can curl only ends, for example. So whatever you like. In 60s hairstyle, the curls need to be soft, not really teeny. I'm adding a lipstick, not red this time, some accessories, and actually I'm ready to go. I was super in a rush this time and I made this hairstyle like 20 minutes, I think. Don't forget to like this video, follow my channel for more tutorials in different decades, and have a nice day. Bye bye.